Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to change the password of your TikTok account. So the first thing you do is go to your app library and search for TikTok. Open up TikTok. Once you've opened up TikTok, the first thing you'll do is go to your profile button on the bottom right corner. Tap on that. Then on your profile page, you'll go to the top right corner and tap on the button with the three lines. Then on the list of options, you'll select Settings and Privacy. After selecting Settings and Privacy, you'll see another list of options. From this one, you'll select the one that says Account. And once in Account, you'll see an option that says Password. Select that. And here you'll enter your new password. It must include a letter, number, and one special character. Once finished, tap on Continue. Then your password is saved. And that is how you change your password on TikTok. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.